Paris, Helsinki, Osaka, Berlin. Which one of those World Championships did you learn the most from, and how did those lessons help you going forward?
I learned pretty much the most I've learned is from not Helsinki, Japan. That's Osaka. Yeah. To not be overconfident, that will help me this year as well, not to be overconfident, because I'm running the fastest times this year. So, not to get overconfident, not to think that the medal is already there for you, it's not easy, So
it was easy up until that point for you.
Yeah.
Which, I remember we spoke in 2003 at the World Athletics final.
Yeah.
And you said, obviously what happened in Paris happened, but you said you wanted to go on and do big things in the sport. Have you done them yet, or are they still yet to do?
Well, there's more to come. I'm not getting younger, but I'm still learning a lot. And I've been making changes, in my technique and in my training. So, there's still a lot more to come.
73 sub-10s. You're going to be the first man. Well, you're the first man to do that. You're going to be the first man to reach 100. That must be a goal. That must be a target.
Yeah, definitely. That's a target right now. Not many people have been able to do this. I've been running for like 9-10 years. And been on top. For all this time. And I don't remember of anyone doing that. So, I'm really happy.
I know last year was a difficult year for you. You had a lot of close people who passed away.
Yeah.
How did you deal with that? And mentally, how have you come out of that the other side?
It was tough. It was really hard for me. Because after losing both my brothers, it was really hard, because I have to be the one who strengthened my parents. My parents were very down. My family was down. I was down. So it was really hard for me.
Mentally, you're in a good place now, though.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Future's bright, right?
Yeah, future bright. I'm happy.
Respect.
Yeah, man.